Hello and welcome to CKE 10001's gaming channel. Today we'll be unboxing Yu-Gi-Oh! 5D's trading card game starter deck Duelist Toolbox. So as you can see, I bought this box 45% off from Walmart for a total of $8 now. So this is the front of the box. Flipping to the side and then to the back of the box. So alright, so we'll start to open it up now. Wrapper, top. Special offer, 2 free cards with paid subscription to Shonen Jump. Alright. Here you go, there it is. The beginner's guide. The dual mat. And alright, the actual cards. So, the first main card you get is Junk Destroyer. Open this. Saying first card is Junk Destroyer. Next is Rapid Warrior. Then Synchron Explorer. X-Saber Wayne. And Bow Footballer. Blazing Impachi. Toon Warrior. Maneater Bug. Hayabusa Knight. Chainsaw Insect. Worm Apocalypse. Junk Synchron. Junk Synchron. Speed Warrior. Quillbolt Hedgehog. Quillbolt Hedgehog. X-Saber Galahad. Fortress Warrior. Turret Warrior. Twin Sword Marauder. Dark Tinker. Quick Draw Synchron. Now into the spell cards. Half Shot. Giant Trunade. Card Destruction. Reinforcement of the Army. The Warrior Returning Alive. Banner of Courage. Enemy Controller. Hammer Shot. Monster Reincarnation. Synchron Boost. Oh, Synchro Boost. Wild Tornado. Trap Hole. Dust Tornado. Rajiki Break. Rope of Life. Secret Barrel. Sakuretsu Armor. Threatening Roar. Rising Energy. Defense Draw. X-Saber Urbellum. And Gaia Knight, the Force of Earth. So that was the starter deck for Duelist Toolbox. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.